How to fix your Black Ops 6 cannot unlock operator problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your unlock requirements. Make sure that you have completed the required challenges. Go to the operator you want to unlock and check the requirements. Some operators are also locked behind battle pass tiers. The second thing you want to do is check your battle pass and event progress. Some operators, as I mentioned, are all locked in the battle pass. Make sure that you have claimed all rewards up to that tier. You can also try restarting your game and checking again, or even try checking your internet connection. A poor internet connection can also cause this problem. So you want to simply restart your router or even contact your ISP. If it's still not working, you want to simply check if it is correctly logged in or check if there are any game updates if there are. If nothing is working, you want to contact the Activision support team at support.activision.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.